Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. So one thing that you'll be doing a lot with is working with configuration files. So being able to efficiently manage these configuration files will really help contribute towards your success. So in this module, let's cover how to manage configuration files. When you make configuration changes on a Cisco device, it goes into the running config. But if that device were to be restarted and you hadn't saved that work, you would lose all of your configurations. And so we want to first of all learn how to save our configurations. And it's something that you do after most operations, after most config changes, you would then save the configs. Then we're going to get into how to capture the configs, because sometimes we want to capture a copy of it, and so we'll learn how to capture a copy of those configs. We'll get into resetting devices, because if we have an older device and we want to reset the configs on that device, so that way we can repurpose it for somewhere else. So we're going to talk about how to reset a device. Then we'll get into the initial configuration dialog, and it's not something I use in production, but it's something that can be used if you wanted to quickly configure a device, and it will step you through this wizard that will help you set up the device. Then we'll get into recovering from a lost password, and there are times that maybe we've lost a password and need to break into a device, so we'll talk about how to do that. Then we'll get into making changes. Now the making changes video is going to be just my recommendations and ways for you to organize things and make changes in an efficient way. And also, if something were to happen, you can fall back on some of the changes that you saved. So it's just my recommendations so you can efficiently work with the equipment. And then we'll get into bootloading files and how to manage the bootloading files on a device.